Hi, this is my latest project that I'm working on. It's the Tamiya 148 Royal Navy Sea Harrier. It's not finished yet, but I thought it'd be fun just to share the progress. So far I've just tackled the engine, the fuselage, the pilot assembly, which I've already painted. The only thing I might do is just repaint his visor. On here it says visor royal blue, but I will probably paint it black. But it's not bad. The other feature that I noticed is with the engine, the actual cover, you don't glue on, you can just put on. I'll probably glue it on, so really I didn't need to paint any of the engine, and the nozzles do swivel. These are just the parts to put in the engine for the nozzles to make them swivel, but all that has now been painted, as you can see inside. I was thinking of painting this first, as you know, I'm going to use an airbrush and I don't want paint getting on the inside, but the other parts that go on are these. But I should be able to mask the engine up okay, I hope. So that's it so far. The wings are in two parts, so I've already made them. They normally slot in quite well. So there's still quite a bit to do on it, but there's not much to really do. So I'm just up to this part at the moment. The decal sheet's quite impressive. Gives you different variations on which one you'd like to do. I've probably been looking, and I will be doing this one, I think, which was assigned to HMS Invincible. So I'll probably do them markings, and then you get the decals for the other markings, which are not too bad. I've already completed, it was the Airfix Sea Harrier in 1/72 scale. It wasn't too bad. Like that was the pilot figures, and this was the Tamiya one. So they seem fairly much the same, so it's not that bad. As for scale, this is the Airfix completed one, and this is the Tamiya one. I think there's a lot more detail on the Tamiya than the Airfix one. You do get then the arms to go underneath. The actual nose wheel, very similar. So it'd be interesting to see the difference once it's completed. And the canopy, you can have it closed or at the open position. And I think you do see a lot more the pilots than you do with the air fix. As I say, so far it's going together fairly well. Anyway, thank you for watching. I should have the completed model finished soon. That's all for now. Thank you.